Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can upload music to Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website, but I found a guide that explains perfectly how you can do it. So right now, we're going to jump right to the steps. So in order to upload music to Spotify from your desktop, firstly, go ahead and open the Spotify desktop app on your Windows PC or Mac and sign into your account. Once you do that, click the drop down menu button next to your account name and then choose Settings. Scroll down the settings screen to the Local Files section and select the Show Local Files slider. Select Show Songs from Downloads or Music Library, or both. Any audio files in these folders must be in MP3 format to be visible to Spotify. If you want to import audio files from another folder, select Add a Source. From the pop-up browser, select the folder you want to add to Spotify, then go ahead and click on OK. As you can see guys right here in the picture, select your library from the left-hand menu and then the local files folder to explore and play tracks stored on your computer in the Spotify desktop app. To upload on your mobile device, select Create Playlist from the left-hand menu on the Spotify desktop app and give the playlist a name. Select the local files folder in your library and drag and drop tracks from it into your new playlist. Open Spotify app on your phone or tablet. Then you should see your new playlist in Plays section of your library. After that, you're going to be able to play all of your uploaded songs on your mobile device. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.